The be-verb am, is, are. Simple present be-verb. The simple present be-verb is used to describe states, facts, habits, or general truths in the present time. The forms of the be-verb in the simple present tense are am, is, and are. The be-verb may be the most important verb in English, and it's because it is the most used word in the English language. We use the be-verb to introduce ourselves, to say our age, to talk about our jobs, to say where something is, and the list goes on and on. The be-verb is not an action verb, but it functions as a link between the subject and its complement, often known as the subject complement. And a subject complement basically tells us more information about the subject. We use am with the pronoun I. We use is with the third person singular pronoun he, she, and it. And we use are with plural pronouns we, they, and you. Here, you can be both singular and plural. So let's now form sentences using the pronouns and the be-verb, but also with subject complements. So we could say, I am a student, she is pretty, they are at school. Now, after the be-verb, the subject complement can be in the form of a noun, an adjective, or a prepositional phrase. For more examples, I am a doctor, I am happy today, she is a student, the dog is very friendly, we are friends, they are playing outside. Now let's learn be-verb contractions and pronunciation. I am a student can be written as I am a student. She is pretty can be written as she is pretty. Here the pronunciation is she is. She is. She is pretty. He is a teacher can be written as he is a teacher. Here the pronunciation is he is. He is. He is a teacher. It is a bag. It can be written as it's a bag. It can be pronounced as it's. It's. It's a bag. We're at school can be written as we're at school. Now let's learn the negative form of be-verb. I am not a student. She is not pretty. We are not at school. For more examples, I am not a doctor. I am not happy today. She is not a student. The dog is not very friendly. We are not friends. They are not playing outside. Be-verb contractions. I am not a student can be written as I am not a student. She is not pretty can be written as she is not pretty or she isn't pretty. We are not at school can be written as we are not at school or we aren't at school. Can we do an activity now? Fill in the blanks using appropriate form of the be-verb. The children dash in the playground. The children are in the playground. I dash a teacher at a local primary school. I am a teacher at a local primary school. My mother dash 35 years old. My mother is 35 years old. My sister dash excited about her wedding. My sister is excited about her wedding. These bags dash too expensive. These bags are too expensive. That old church dash closed. That old church is closed. The students dash still in the library. The students are still in the library. Now let's fill in the blanks using appropriate negative form of the be-verb, like am not, is not or isn't, are not or aren't. I dash a singer. I am not a singer. It dash raining today. It isn't raining today. These shoes dash comfortable. These shoes aren't comfortable. I dash feeling well today. I am not feeling well today. The sky dash clear today. The sky isn't clear today. The windows dash open. The windows aren't open. Thank you and have a nice day.